We all think we understand how big the universe is. We look up at the night sky and say, wow, that's far. We see a few stars, maybe the Milky Way if we're lucky, and feel small for a moment. But let me tell you something. You have no idea. Because the real size of the universe? It's not just big. It's so far beyond human comprehension that once you see the numbers and what they actually mean, something inside you will shift. So let's take a ride. A journey from your backyard to the edge of everything. Let's start small, Earth. From one end of the planet to the other, it's about 8,000 miles. If you flew around the equator in a jet, non-stop, it would take you nearly 2 days. And yet, Earth is a grain of sand compared to what's coming. Now rise up, past the clouds, out into space. You reach the moon in 3 days. It's 238,000 miles away, and it fits perfectly in our sky because of a cosmic coincidence. Mars, that's 6 months by rocket. Jupiter, bigger than all the other planets combined. It could hold 1,300 Earths inside. And the Sun is so large, over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. And yet, the Sun is still considered a small star. When you look at the stars in the night sky, you're seeing the past. Light travels fast, 186,000 miles per second, but space is just that much bigger. The closest star system to us, Alpha Centauri, is 4.3 light-years away. That's over 25 trillion miles. Even if you could travel at the speed of the fastest spacecraft ever built, it would take you tens of thousands of years to get there. And that's just the nearest neighbor. Zoom out further. Our Sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Hundreds of billions, possibly up to 400 billion. Many of them have planets. Some may have life. Some may have civilizations more advanced than we can imagine. Or remember, the Milky Way is 100,000 light-years across. Even if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross it. And we're just in one little suburb of it, a star on a spiral arm, spinning around the center every 230 million years. Now brace yourself. Because the Milky Way, it's just one galaxy. And in the observable universe, we estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies, each one containing hundreds of billions of stars. Multiply that. You get a number so big, it's practically meaningless. Something like 200 sextillion stars. That's 200 followed by 21 zeros. And that's just what we can see. Now here's the twist. The observable universe is limited by how far light has had time to travel since the Big Bang, around 13.8 billion years ago. But because the universe is expanding, what we can see is about 93 billion light-years across. But beyond that, we don't know. There may be infinite space. There may be an infinite number of universes. An infinite number of you. Living infinite versions of your life. Making different choices. Right now, some physicists believe we live in a cosmic bubble, one of many endlessly generating in a larger multiverse. We can't see it, but the math suggests it's real. Here's the paradox. You are microscopic in the grand scheme of the cosmos, but you are also the only point of consciousness through which you experience the entire thing. The universe doesn't feel big to itself. It only feels real through you. You're not outside of the universe looking in. You are inside it, made of it, connected to it at the quantum level. Your atoms were forged in the cores of ancient stars that exploded long before Earth existed. So, in a way, you are the universe becoming aware of itself. And that might be the most mind-blowing truth of all.